Okay, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a solid fill into your drawing. So here's an example. So for example, here I want this internal area here to be green. So how would I do that in AutoCAD? So if you're in the Home tab, I want you to click on Hatch. So Hatch fills an enclosed area or selected object with a hatch pattern or fill. So when you click on that, there's a property bar here that shows up. So these are the ones that you need to configure. So first of all, you're going to click on Pick Points. So when you click on Pick Points, what AutoCAD wants you to do is to pick an internal point or internal area that will be filled with the hatch pattern or solid color. So for example, here I'm going to click here because that's my internal point. Now if you look at it, the default was in angled pattern. You can still change that by going to this property bar here and click on solid. Now in solid, let's say let's say you're happy with that, and just click on X here to close the creation or to end the command. Now here's an example. See, if I want this green, I didn't change that to green. So how do you do that? You can still do it even though it's already hatched. So you go into the internal points or the hatch pattern, double click on it, and this one shows up, right? But where do I get the color? So in here, the hatch dialog box will show up. You can click on By Layer, and then you can change the any color you want, or you can even click on Select Colors if you want to have like a really customized color. Click OK. Close that and close Hatch Editor. Now I'm just going to create a rectangle here, and let's just say you want to have like a pattern, a hatch pattern. So I'm gonna click on my hatch tool, and then it says pick points, so I'm gonna pick the internal points, which is that one, but I want a different hatch pattern. So in here, if you click on this arrow here, you're gonna see some predefined patterns. You've got lots of predefined patterns here. So for example, I want just an example here. I want this one here, ANS136. Click on that, and you notice that the hatch pattern was applied here. Now if I'm not happy with the the distances of the dashed lines here, so you can still edit that by going to going here, which is the scale. Okay, so that's number 1 scale. Okay, so I'm going to say 0.5. I type in 0.5, hit enter. You notice it gets smaller and smaller as you go smaller. So I'm going to type in 3 here, hit enter. Now the hatch pattern is getting, the spaces between the hatch pattern is getting bigger. That's it for hatch pattern.